Hello students, I am Prashant Nikam. In this video, we are going to learn types of brackets. In previous video, we have revised BODMAS rule. As per the BODMAS rule, first we have to solve the brackets. But if there are more than one type of brackets in same question, how to open or what is the sequence of that bracket, that we have to learn. Before that, let's see types of brackets. There are mainly four types of brackets. This symbol is of square brackets, or it is also called as box bracket. This is called as curly bracket. This is our common bracket which is most frequently used, and this is new for you. This type of bracket is called as vinculum. It is only dash, or it is also called as bar bracket. Now, if there are more than one type of brackets in same question, we have to follow the sequence. Suppose there are all these four types of brackets, then how to open these brackets? The sequence is, first we have to open this vinculum or bar bracket, then our most commonly used common bracket, then curly bracket, and finally we have to open the square brackets. To learn this, let's solve some questions from R.D. Sharma exercise 1.4. See here, there is one question number 7. The question is 23 minus in square bracket 23 minus in curly bracket 23 minus in small bracket 23 minus in bar bracket 23 minus 23. Small bracket closed, curly bracket closed, square bracket closed. Now see, here there is a subtraction sign everywhere, and there are all four types of brackets. So if you want to solve such type of question, we have to open this bracket first, and there is a sequence. As I told you earlier, what is the sequence? First we have to open this vinculum or bar bracket, then small, then curly, and then square bracket. Let's see here how to solve this question. First we have to open the small bracket or curly this vinculum. Therefore remaining thing as it is, 23 minus in curly bracket 23 minus in small bracket 23 minus. Now let's open this vinculum. It is 23 minus 23, which is nothing but 0, remaining as it is. Next 23 minus 23 minus, now we have to open the common bracket. In common bracket there is a 23 minus 0, which is nothing but 23. Curly bracket closed, square bracket closed. Next step, now we have to open the curly bracket. 23 minus, in curly bracket there is a 23 minus 23, which is nothing but 0. Now finally we have to open the square bracket. So what is there in square bracket? 23 minus 0. 23 minus 0 is nothing but 23, and the final answer will be 23 minus 23, which is 0. Let's solve one more question. The question number 4 from the same exercise. In this question, see here what is the question. The question is 27 minus in square brackets 38 minus in curly bracket 46 minus in common bracket 15 minus in vinculum 13 minus 2, common bracket closed, curly bracket closed, square bracket closed. Now you know the sequence. If you want to solve such type of question in which there are more than one brackets, so what sequence we have to follow? First we have to open this vinculum, then common bracket, then curly, and then finally bar bracket. Let's see here. 27 minus 38 minus 46 minus 15. Now let's open this vinculum. In the vinculum there is a 13 minus 2, which is nothing but 11. Small bracket closed, curly bracket closed, square bracket closed. Now after opening the vinculum, we have to open the common bracket. So 38 minus in curly bracket 46 minus, now see here what is in their common bracket, 15 minus 11, which is nothing but 4. Now 27 minus, now we have to open the curly bracket. In curly bracket there is a 46 minus 4, which is nothing but 42. Now we have to open the square bracket. So see here what is there in square bracket. In the square bracket there is a 38 minus 42, which is nothing but minus 4. So minus 4 we have to write in small bracket. Now you know how to subtract the integers. This minus minus will become plus, and our final answer will be 27 plus 4, which is nothing but 31. Now let's see the question number 3. See here, what is the question? Question is 25 minus 1 upon 2 in curly bracket 5 plus 4 minus in common bracket 3 plus 2 minus in vinculum 1 plus 3 small bracket closed curly bracket closed. So first, as per the rule, we have to open the vinculum, or you can say bar bracket. What is there in bar bracket? There is a 1 plus 3. So what is 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. Remaining as it is. 25 minus 1 upon 2 in curly bracket 5 plus 4 minus. Now we have to open this common bracket. In common bracket there is a 3 plus 2 which is 5. 5 minus 4 which is 1. Now let's open the curly bracket. In curly bracket there is a 5 plus 4 which is 9. 9 minus 1 which is 8. 25 minus. Now what is half of 8? 2 ones are 2 fours are. It is nothing but 4. So finally 25 minus 4 which is 21 is the answer. Thank you students.